everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to increment a number in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so I'm using Linux Mint and I installed code blocks, okay, 20.03. so we have here sharply include iostream. So this library file is input output streaming command. It is very important in every C++ program. And then line number 4, we have here int main. It is the starting point and ending point of execution in every C++ program. Normally guys, when we run our program, the compiler or the C++ compiler will try to search this particular function and then it will execute. The same way when our program will be terminated. So we have here line number 5, we have here left curly bracket, and then I declare two variables, variable a and b, which has a value of 10 for variable a and 20 for variable b, and has a data type of integer. If you are new with computer programming, a data type is how we store our data. In this case, when we say integer, it refers to a data type that can store whole number, positive, negative, including 0, that are no decimal places. So I'm using modern C++ approach of coding, std console out, new line, the title of our program, increment a number in C++. Line number 10, we have here new line, and then here line number 11, we display the original value of a, which is 10. New line here, line number 14, we increment a++, we just increment by 1. So when we run our program, it will display here the original value of a is 10, and then after increment, the increment value of a will be 11 because we just added by 1. The same thing with original value of b. In this case, we have 20. So after increment plus 1, it will become 21. New line, line number 24, and end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. And then we have also here new line, and then we close with the right curly bracket. Okay, so as I said, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my two websites. So the file name is increment.cpp. So let us click the run button here. So we have here the output, increment a number in C++, original value of a is 10. After we increment by 1, the increment value of a will become 11. Original value of b will be 20. After increment value of b will be 21, end of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to increment a number in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned and entertained in our tutorial video for today. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.